Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a common frustration for many Anker Soundcore Life 2 and Q20 series headphone owners, the dreaded broken headband slider. It's a problem that can make your favorite headphones uncomfortable, unsightly, and frankly, unusable. But fear not, because SOULWIT has stepped in with what appears to be the ultimate solution: their headband side cover slider outer and inner replacement kit. First things first, let's talk compatibility, because this is absolutely crucial. This SOULWIT kit is designed to fit perfectly on the Anker Soundcore Life 2, and it's vital to note that it does not fit the Life 2 Neo. So if you own the original Life 2, Q20, Q20 Plus, Q20i, or Q20 BT models, you're in luck. Always double-check your specific headset model before making a purchase to ensure a perfect match. What truly sets this SOULWIT replacement part apart is its ingenuity. The manufacturer has utilized advanced 3D printing technology to meticulously reproduce the exact shape of the original side cover slider. This means you're getting a component that's designed to look and feel just like the factory part, avoiding the common embarrassment and mess of trying to patch up a broken headband with tape or fabric. No more unsightly wraps or makeshift repairs. This offers a clean, professional finish that restores your headphone's aesthetic. Installation is another area where SOULWIT shines. They promise an easy, straightforward process that doesn't require you to disassemble the headphone's sound unit. This is a huge relief for anyone who's ever attempted a headphone repair and worried about damaging the delicate internal components. By simply following the included instruction manual, users can seamlessly integrate these new sliders, bringing their headphones back to life without any unnecessary hassle or specialized tools. It's designed for a smooth, user-friendly experience, allowing anyone to perform the repair with confidence. Crafted from premium plastic, these replacement parts are built for durability. The material choice ensures that once installed, your headphones will not only look brand new, but will also withstand the rigors of daily use. It's about more than just fixing a broken part. It's about restoring the overall feel and longevity of your beloved Anker Soundcore headphones. SOULWIT emphasizes their commitment to developing more professional and ergonomic headphone accessories, and this product certainly reflects that dedication to quality and user satisfaction. Should any issues arise with your purchase, they encourage customers to reach out, which is always a reassuring sign of a company that stands behind its products. In essence, if you've been struggling with a broken headband on your compatible Anker Soundcore headphones, the SOULWIT headband side cover slider offers a meticulously engineered, easy-to-install, and durable solution that promises to make your headphones feel brand new again. It's a thoughtful repair part that addresses a very specific and common problem with precision and quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.